I am cooking dinner. I am preparing dinner. I am making dinner. I am fixing dinner. I am getting dinner ready. I am cooking the evening meal. I am going to work. I am heading to work. I am off to work. I am leaving for work. I am on my way to work. I am going to the office. I am cleaning the house. I am tidying up the house. I am organizing the house. I am straightening up the house. I am doing housework. I am cleaning my home. I am going shopping. I am heading to the store. I am going to buy groceries. I am out shopping. I am doing some shopping. I am going to the market. I am taking a walk. I am going for a walk. I am walking outside. I am having a stroll. I am taking a stroll. I am going for a stroll. I am reading a book. I am engrossed in a book. I am enjoying a book. I am going through a book. I am flipping through a book. I am absorbed in a book. I am watching TV. I am viewing TV. I am catching up on TV. I am enjoying some TV. I am tuning into TV. I am checking out TV shows. I am brushing my teeth. I am cleaning my teeth. I am scrubbing my teeth. I am taking care of my teeth. I am brushing my pearly whites. I am brushing my chompers. I am going to bed. I am heading to bed. I am off to bed. I am turning in for the night. I am getting some sleep. I am going to sleep. I am working on a project. I am busy with a project. I am tackling a project. I am engaged in a project. I am handling a project. I am immersed in a project. I am eating lunch. I am having lunch. I am enjoying my lunch. I am taking a lunch break. I am having a meal. I am grabbing lunch. I am exercising. I am working out. I am doing my workout. I am hitting the gym. I am exercising my body. I am engaging in physical activity. I am making coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am preparing coffee. I am fixing a cup of coffee. I am getting coffee ready. I am making a pot of coffee. I am meeting a friend. I am catching up with a friend. I am hanging out with a friend. I am seeing a friend. I am getting together with a friend. I am spending time with a friend. I am checking my email. I am reviewing my email. I am going through my email. I am looking at my inbox. I am reading my emails. I am handling my email correspondence. I am taking a shower. I am having a shower. I am washing up. I am rinsing off. I am getting a shower. I am stepping into the shower. I am calling someone. I am making a call. I am dialing a number. I am on the phone with someone. I am phoning someone. I am giving someone a call. I am writing a letter. I am composing a letter. I am drafting a letter. I am penning a letter. I am working on a letter. I am putting together a letter. I am driving to work. I am commuting to work. I am heading to work by car. I am traveling to work. I am driving to the office. I am making my way to work. I am feeding the pets. I am giving food to the pets. I am feeding the animals. I am taking care of the pets' meals. I am serving food to the pets. I am attending to the pets' feeding. I am doing the laundry. I am washing clothes. I am handling the laundry. I am putting in a load of laundry. I am laundering my clothes. I am taking care of the washing. I am paying bills. I am settling bills. I am handling payments. I am taking care of my bills. I am clearing my bills. I am taking care of financial obligations. I am planning a trip. I am organizing a trip. I am arranging a trip. I am setting up travel plans. I am preparing for a trip. I am making travel arrangements. I am studying for an exam. I am preparing for an exam. I am reviewing for an exam. I am hitting the books for an exam. I am revising for a test. I am working on exam prep. I am decorating the house. I am setting up decorations. I am sprucing up the house. I am arranging home decor. I am adorning the house. I am giving the house a fresh look.